Two things fill my heart with fresh and growing admiration and respect, and my reflection turns to quite often, and at length, the starry sky above my head, and the moral law inside me. Each of us, at least once in our lives, must have considered that their passage through life, in this cloud of wonder in which we celebrate the value of humanity, should leave behind a positive trace. An imprint addressed at improvement, a sign of our own contribution, evidence of our useful action to the society that moves forward. This call to our consciousness listens with utmost seriousness to a collective and mindful design plan, to an individual effort towards success, gathering consensus and agreement, and which invites us to rethink our values and our actions in the promise of a better future. The repeated hostile actions against nature, our ecosystems, and the centuries-old equilibrium of the Earth have disappointed the expectations of better judgment, and that calls for immediate attention. The increased speed imposed on manufacturing processes has influenced our behavior, devastated our habits, and determined the priorities of our life. The invasive and unconditioned imposition of technology has revolutionized our participation. The rules of fluid society, which we embraced with little resistance, have kept us from our many social and professional certainties, sacrificed the need for common solutions and plans, and have alienated our effective assets, selling off our last emotional resources. We would like to rewrite the rules of our existence and reclaim absolute values of humanity. Liberty, as an essential condition that enables us to organize our life plan in the absolute respect for the autonomy of others. Dignity, because it is the most important social value and effective protection against ignorance, prejudice, and humiliation. Solidarity, because it is the process of social integration that is celebrated each day in every civilized nation, and which opens up access to better living conditions with continuity and support. Happiness, because it is right that a mature and aware society has posed it as an essential condition and guarantees its access to everybody as a priority to its government actions. Forum Pulire 2016, to be held in Milan on the 14th and 15th of September, will be an opportunity to examine the rules from new perspectives. The future of work, the impact of new technologies on professions, the new rules for dialogue and cooperation, the consequences of man-machine interactions in the activities of work, tools of knowledge and training, methods and parameters for a requalification of the work, and the new frontiers of the distribution and IT technologies.